Right, welcome to another session. Today we are going to look at this question of logarithms. This is always question 1 in paper 2 KCSE. Now also in KJSEA we are really hoping to get such questions. Now use logarithms to evaluate now a cube root, okay, of 0.0246 into bracket, you close it, squared, multiply by 142 all over, or divide by 0.002 times 1.14. Now the first thing that you're going to do in our solution, you write number, standard form, and log. Number, standard form, and log. Okay, now we're going to start with the first number. The first number is open bracket 0.0246 squared. Okay, now in standard form, remember squared we are going to put as 2 into bracket, then we write the inner number into standard form. So of course this one is 1 2, so it is 2.46 times, because it was reverse, okay, 10 power negative 2. All right, now from there we are going still to write it into bracket, because we are not done with it. We are going to finish it first. Okay, that is 2 into bracket. Now remember this negative 2 becomes here bar 2. Then we go to our log. We look at log of 2.46. Log of 2.46. Now let me show you. Here is our log. We're going to look at log of 2.4. Where is 6? 6 is here. So that is 0.3909. Okay, so we've seen 0.3909. So we write bar 2, which is negative 2.3909, or that is log of 2.46. Now we open our bracket. Now when you open our bracket, we multiply each, okay, digit in the bracket by 2. So we take 2 by bar 2, or negative 2, plus 2 times that 0.3909, which can also be written as 0.3909. So our answer here will be bar 4, because that is same as negative 4, okay, plus 2 times 0.3909. You can multiply it direct in your calculator. So that is 0.7818, right? Okay, now when you add, you're going only to add these bases, bar 4 plus 0. Okay, when you add bar 4 plus 0, it's going to give us bar 4. Then we write the remaining, okay, 7818. So it will be bar 4.7818. Here we can see. Now let's go to the next value, which was 142. So 142, we write it in standard form. So it will be 1.42 times 10 squared. Okay, now 1.42 times 10 squared will be, in log it will be, because 2 will be 2 point. Then we come to our log, we look at 1.4. Here is my log, okay, 1.4, then we go to 2, that is 0.1523. 0.15. So I add it there, it will be 0.1523. But remember, it was multiplication in between. So if it's multiplication in log, we add. So we're going to take about 4.7818, okay, then we add plus 2.1523. that is going to give us about 2.9341, because when we add 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 5 13, carry 1, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9. Then remember bar 4 is same as negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. So it's going to be bar 2. Okay, so our answer will be bar 2.9341. Okay, for the numerator. Remember, that is for the numerator. Then we go to the denominator. Denominator, it was 0.002. Okay, now that will be 2.0 times 10 power negative 3, okay, in standard form. Then we go to log of 2, okay, because you know that negative 3 will be bar 3 point. Log of 2, if you go to log of 2, we go to our log. Here is our log, okay, we go to log of 2. 2.0 is here, 3010. Okay, 3010.3010. We add it there. Then we had 1.14. 1.14, it's in standard form, it's going to be 1.14 times 10 power 0. So that will be 0.0, because we know that 1.14 in log 1.1 is 0.0569. Okay, 0.0569, which is 0.0569. So when you add the two, because it was multiplication, remember it was multiplication right there, it's going to give us 0 plus 9, 9, 7, 5, 3, then bar 3. Okay, now, so the total answer will be bar 3.3579, right? Then when you add, okay, we are going to, because remember, that is when you add bar 3.3010 plus 0.0569 to give us bar 3.3579. But remember, it was all over is same as division. But now for the remember, if it's division in log, we take away. So we're going to take bar 2, which we got in the numerator, 0.9341, we take away bar 3.3579. Remember, we had 1 here. 1 is less than 9, 4 is less than 7, 3 is less than 5, but we can borrow from 9, right? When we borrow from 9, we remain with 8. We carry it into 13, also we borrow, remain with 12. Carry it 14, we borrow, remain with 13. Then we write here the 1, 11. Then 11 take away the 9, it will be 2. 13 take away 7, 6. 12 take away 5, that is 7. 8 take away 3, that is 5. Then remember, negative 2 or bar 2 take away bar 3. That is negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 2 plus 3 to give us 1.5762. Okay? But remember, it was cube root. So if it's cube root, it's same as divide by 3 or times a third. Okay? It's or, okay? Or 1.5762 times 1 over 3. Okay? Are you together? So that is the same thing. Okay? So we are going to try to look at, we call it, we're going to look at a number that when we add the two of them, it will give us this positive 1. So we know that, and that number should also be divisible by 3. So you're going to take bar 3 plus 4. When you take bar 3 plus 4, that is 1. Okay? So you take bar 3 plus 4 point, then we retain the value that we had there, plus 4.5762. You divide both sides by 3 by 3. So 3 divided by 3, that is bar 1. That is same as negative 1. Okay? That is 3 here. We go there 1. Go there. Bar 1. Okay? Then 3 goes into 4, 1. Okay? There. And you divide, you get 0.5254. Then when you take bar 1, which was here, plus this 1, you don't add all of it. If you put it directly into the calculator, you are not going to get the answer. So what you do, we take bar 1 plus 1, okay? Then you retain this value. This value should just remain, okay? So it is going to be bar 1 plus 1 will be 0.5254, okay? Then we're going to look at the antilog. Remember, when it's 0.5254, the first 0 means 10 power, that's 0, times 10 power point. This point should be 0.524. 5254, sorry, which is now the antilog, okay? That one is going to give us 10 power 0 times antilog of 0.5254 will be 3.353. Now, how did I get that? How did I come to get that? Let's look at the antilog. All right, so this is the table for antilog. So I'm looking for 0.5254. So I can't see it. It is 0.52. Where is 52? 52. Okay, 523.5255. So it is 3.350. Then 525. Then 4. 4. I add 3. Okay, you can see here I had 3. So already I'm there. So it is 3.350. Then I add the 3. The 3 should be added to the last value. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to get 3.353. So that is going to be my answer. I tried confirming it direct. When you put it direct into the calc, when you just do it direct into the calc, this is what you're going to get, okay? Now, when you do it direct into the calc, this is what you're going to get, all right? You can see my answer there. Now, when I put direct, this is what I'm getting. When I multiply both of them, I get this one. When I divide, okay, this is what I get. Okay, this is what I do. Then, but the answer is still just the same. So that's how we do it.